This seaside villa in Denmark, designed by CEBRA, uses an undulating roof to provide expansive views of Aarhus Bay, while protecting it from the elements. With a sculptural form that changes depending on the angle of view, the villa was designed in response to its environment and the client's wishes. Spanning 2 floors, the villa separates auxiliary functions on the ground floor from the main living space on the upper floor, with a layout that balances openness to maximize views and privacy. Exterior. The villa's exterior creates harmony between its unique form and the use of traditional materials. The undulating roof glides over the building, giving it a dynamic character with curves that create different visual play depending on the angle of view. The external facade is made of Danish Kolumba bricks covered in beach sand, adding a natural texture dimension and weatherproof strength. The villa feels closely tied to the landscape through the overhanging roof design, creating an outdoor area that is protected from the weather and reducing heat stress around the glass facade. Interior. The interior of the villa exudes warmth and elegance through the use of wood details and consistent Norwegian slate flooring, both indoors and out. The undulating roof forms variations in ceiling height, creating different yet harmonious spatial zones. The large central space opens to the outside area with unobstructed views of the bay, while 2 more enclosed wings on the west and east sides offer privacy. The wood material on the inside of the roof adds a warm feel, creating a friendly and inviting atmosphere for the residents.